Combine tasks is a function that lets you create specific tasks assigned to collections. With this feature, you can assign various materials to specific objects. Let's configure that. Click on Add Task Materials button. This expands a menu. A new task is added automatically. Rename New Task 1 to Cube for better clarity and organization. It's also possible to add more tasks or delete existing ones as needed. Choose the collection that will be affected, here the collection of the cube object. Click the On Select Material button, a pop-up appears listing all the materials in the scene. Select the blue and green materials, they are added to the materials list. At this stage, the total number of images to export is 1. Activate Combine Materials, the number of images increases to 9. Then activate Combine Tasks to apply the configuration. The total of images decreases to 6. Start the render. As you can see, the cube was not affected by the red material. That's it for the Combine Tasks feature. Thanks for watching.